Hello and welcome to JavaScript in Less Than 3, where I describe JavaScript concepts in under 3 minutes. Now, today we're going to talk a little bit more about what a parameter is. We've spoken about functions and that functions can do something or they can return something. So, often when we're returning things, and honestly, often when we're also just doing things, we are using these things called parameters. Parameters are like labels that we give a coin slot. Yeah, it's like this slot where you put a piece of information in order to use it later. And I've given an example here that I mentioned last time, but I actually went ahead and made it for us this time around, which is a function called capitalize word. And then I've got here word. And then we create the first character and we put it in uppercase. We take the rest of the word and we put it in lowercase. And then we mesh them together using concatenation in order to create the final word. And then we return it. Yeah, so that when we put a word in, it will come out capitalized. This idea of putting the coin in the slot, that is the word. And then at the end, out of the vending machine, comes the word formatted how we want it to be. Yeah, so we want the word greetings. And we can assign this to a variable and say, let cap word equal capitalize the word greetings, and it will be worth greetings. Yeah, cap word is now greetings, like this with a capital G, and the rest in lowercase. So even if you put all this in like that, it will still come out this way because of our to lowercase inside this function. So as you can see here, we haven't used the word, right? The program looks at this and it sees whatever is in brackets after capitalized word and it says, okay, that value is now called word. I am now going to do this, and then I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to do all this other stuff, and then I'm going to return the result of all my programming. Yeah, and the great thing about this is we can do it as many times as we want. We only have to type this program once, and then we can just say capitalize word with a word. Also, it's important to note we don't have to call this word. We could call this potato. This is now potato. It's just that we have to make sure that then we refer to it as potato everywhere else in our function. There we go. So now we're slicing potatoes in order to get a capitalized word out of it. But this doesn't need to change at all because the program still interprets greetings as being the same as potato. So it's really wonderful. This is what is called a parameter. You can have more than one. For example, you could have potato 2, potato 3, and you could do other things with potato 2 and potato 3 in your function. It's really unlimited in terms of the number that you can put in. Ideally, only 1 or 2, I would say, is best. But that's all there is to it. Those are parameters. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.